How to verify your account by phone number on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. After that, go to the menu bar. Now scroll down and then go to settings. After that, go to account center. Now simply go to personal details. After that, go to contact info and then go to add new contact. Now simply select add mobile number. Enter your mobile number, then you will receive a WhatsApp and SMS notification. Enter the code and then the mobile number will be added for your verification. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.